Hi everyone. So you may be wondering why after nearly 17 years of podcasting that I am getting another microphone even though I already have a Shure SM58 mic. Works just fine after all these years, but I wanted to try something new and different because I am a podcast coach and I know that Shure SM58s are not cheap. Also, I've been having some issues with the mixer that I connect this with. It makes a dull humming noise in my episodes, and I produce closer to 1,000 episodes over the span of nearly 2 decades. And so that said, I've used this microphone for so long, but I do want to try this one because A, it's inexpensive, and B, this is one of the most wildly popular microphones out there now for gaming, for podcasting, and I heard that it's even great for singing. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. So I'm going to take you along with me. Okay, so I was able to pull it open that way, and then it just falls open, and there's the cord. Then I have a card with a code on it. I have my little instructions and information. So there's some styrofoam. I'm gonna take that off. And here is the mic. Kind of heavy. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the box before I close it. Besides the styrofoam, no, there's nothing else in the box. Empty. And there's the mic. So we're gonna take it out of its bag. There it is. It's beautiful. I love the color of this bag. And we're gonna turn it around. And it's beautiful. I really love the color. I love that it has its stand already and that it can somehow be disconnected from its stand so that you can put it on an arm. And just to give my brief opinion about what I've seen so far, which is just a few minutes, it is heavier than I thought it would be, but lighter than, of course, having to lug around a mixer. So I don't have any of that, or I don't need any of that with this particular microphone. It seems like an easy, very, very easy setup for new podcasters and those of you interested in launching your show. This is quick, it's easy. I actually ordered it today and got it today. So with Amazon Prime, I got same-day delivery. So this was on sale. This is what they call the Blue Yeti Premium. It's not a pro, it said premium for gaming, and I think it's premium because of the coat of paint actually. So maybe it just is a Blue Yeti X, but they put a little coat of white paint on it. So I really like that color. And yeah, I'll be setting this up on tomorrow when I record my soul podcasting episode number 6. So that'll be the very first podcast episode that receives the new microphone sound. So just so you can see up close what some of the knobs are, you can see at the top there's a volume. At the bottom there is a gain. And so this is upside down, I'm sorry. Let me pull it back up for you so you can see better. So at the top, there's to change the volume and the gain. And then if you flip it around, there's a mute button. And there is volume for a headset if you're wearing a headset. So that's what that is. That's what it looks like when it's standing up like that. And it's got its little stand. Makes it easy for you to prop it up on your desk. I've really, really loved my Shure SM58. I still love that microphone and I'm still going to be using it, but I did want to compare both of these mics and I'll let you know how it goes, how I enjoy using it. is a very simple mic for me. I simply have my headset here in the headset jack, and then I have the other cord that connects to the USB and my laptop. So very, very simple. And I've pulled up a Adobe Audition screen so that I can go ahead and practice the recording and see how it might sound a little differently than my Shure SM58. So that's what I'm working on now. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Actually, it says not to go straight onto the mic this way. It says to keep it kind of up a little bit. And I'll just press the mute button. So, oh, wow. So when I press mute, there's a blank space there, so it's not recording. Interesting. I didn't have that option with the equipment I was using before, so that's really cool. Okay, so it's recording nicely. I see the waveforms there, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording now and play it back, just to kind of get a feel. Okay, so it's recording nicely. I see the wave. I like that. As far as I can tell, the recording is very clear. And again, I can't help but to reiterate how much I really like this color. So I'm gonna leave a link to the mic that I just purchased in my description box in case you're interested in that. And I'm also gonna share a link to this Shure SM58 microphone, which has served me well for over 10 years. So I want to make sure that I plug this one too. In comparison to this Blue Yeti, it certainly is quite skinny. You can see the major difference between the two of these microphones. But that's because this Blue Yeti is kind of an all-in-one compact that goes directly into the computer. Whereas with this Shure SM58, I have to use my audio interface. And in this case, I'm using my mixer. And just to give you a little idea of the bulk of my situation with the Shure SM58, this is my mixer that I was using for the past 10 years with my microphone. So I'll no longer be needing this. And I think it's great for when I do my songwriting and recording, but I also am having trouble with that particular mixer because it has some background sound that I just can't get out of my recordings. So I'm just gonna probably ditch this Alice's multi-mix for my podcasting. I'm gonna say goodbye to this for now, and I'm going to embrace my little Blue Yeti here. I invite you to come by, listen to Soul Podcasting, which is basically my free product. It's what I'm teaching every single week that I release an episode about how to start, how to launch, how to leverage, how to maintain your podcast. So if you're interested in starting your own podcast, then you'll want to listen in to Soul Podcasting. I'll leave a link to that below. Also, I'll leave a link to my beautiful new microphone setup here so that in case you want to purchase a Blue Yeti, I have a link to that for Amazon, so you can get that. And I'll also leave a little link to my Shure SM58 in case you're interested in something a little bit more advanced. That one, like I said, has been a keeper. It's been with me for over a decade. So I have good memories with that microphone, but I wanted to try something different. And so I think I'm gonna really enjoy using the Yeti. So I can't wait to talk to you guys again about more online business stuff. I really love this channel change. I love that I'm getting into topics that I've been wanting to talk about for some time, but just really now in a place where I can share more about online business, about content creation, blogging, podcasting, search engine optimization, all of that stuff that helps you to not only launch your online business, but to leverage it and keep it going and grow it and monetize it. So that's what I want to help you do on this channel. I hope you check out the links to the microphones, and I'll talk to you guys another time.